Hey, did you know some batteries use air? California is investing $1 billion in HydroStore's compressed air battery, which could potentially be the world's largest. HydroStore plans to mine out 2 football fields worth of space by drilling 3 shafts several thousand feet below the surface for energy storage. During times when there is excess solar power, cheap electricity will be used to pump air into the caverns. The compressed air is then released and generates electricity using turbines when there is a need for electricity. Although the efficiency of air batteries is less than that of lithium-ion batteries, they can store energy for decades without any loss of efficiency. The Amalus 2.0 research project is testing a new concept to increase the stability and lifetime of lithium-air batteries. This involves separating positive and negative electrodes using a membrane coated on both sides. The project will receive funding of around 1.1 million euros from the Federal Ministry of Education and Research over a 3-year period. Relativity Space launched the Terrain 1, the first test rocket made entirely from 3D printed parts, with 9 3D printed engines built using a copper alloy known as Glen Research Copper. GRCop alloys are optimized for high-strength thermal conductivity, creep resistance, and low cycle fatigue, and can tolerate temperatures up to 40% higher than traditional copper alloy. GRCop was developed at NASA's Glen Research Center and is designed for use in high-performance rocket engines. CRCop-42, the most recent iteration, uses additive manufacturing methods to create single-piece and multi-material combustion chambers and thrust chamber assemblies for rocket engines. Modern manufacturing methods such as laser-powered bed fusion and directed energy deposition are used to build GRCop parts. NASA provided technical expertise to Relativity Space under a Reimbursable Space Act agreement, moving GRCop-42 from development into a flight-ready product used to launch the Terrain 1 rocket. These high-performing rocket engine components produced by additive manufacturing with GRCop alloy could be used in future missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Braskem, a thermoplastic resin producer, is partnering with universities in the US and Brazil to develop fresh food packaging that changes colors when food is unsafe to consume. The packaging uses sensors that detect pH changes and other indicators of spoilage in the food. Although several efforts have been made to create technology that detects spoilage in food and beverage products, none have been commercially viable yet. In the meantime, consumers rely on best by and sell by dates to determine product freshness, which can lead to confusion and food waste. Clearer labeling could reduce food waste in the US by up to 8%. Organizations like the Natural Research Defense Council and regulators are working towards developing clear labeling standards to address this issue. Chinese police have detained the ChatGPT users for creating a fake news article about a non-existent train crash using the AI-powered Chatbot. This is one of the first enforcement actions under a recently enacted Chinese law regulating AI-generated deepfakes. The man used ChatGPT to create a fake news article about a crash that supposedly led to the death of 9 construction workers in the northwest Chinese province of Gansu. 21 accounts on a popular social platform spread the fake story within a short period of time. The new Chinese deepfake law, which took effect on January 10th, banned several categories of fake media produced by deep synthesis technologies such as machine learning and virtual reality, and specifically prohibits the use of such technologies to produce, publish, or transmit fake news.